Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about ratio and proportion. What is ratio? Ratio is the comparison of two or more numbers that indicates their sizes in relation to each other. Ratios are useful for comparing things to each other in mathematics and real life. So it is important to know what they mean and how to use them. Here, look at the picture. You can see apple and bananas. How many apples are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 apple. And how many bananas here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas here. Here are different ways we can describe the ratio of apples to bananas. There are 4 apples for every 5 bananas. The ratio of apples to banana is 4 to 5. The ratio of apples to bananas is 4 is to 5. Here in the question asked for ratio of apples to bananas. Therefore, number of apples will be listed first in the ratio. Here apples are 4. That is why we wrote 4 first. When writing ratios, the numbers should be written in the order which is given in the problem. Here are different ways to describe the ratio of bananas to apples. So here the first one is bananas. So first you have to write the number of bananas. There are 5 bananas for every 4 apples. The ratio of bananas to apples is 5 to 4. The ratio of bananas to apples is 5 is to 4. Here, look at the cats and dogs. How many cats are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cats are here. How many dogs here? 1, 2, 3. 3 dogs are here. The ratio of cats to dogs is 5 is to 3. We are writing here first number of cats 5. Second, write the number of dogs 3. The ratio of dogs to cats is 3 is to 5. Here we are writing first the number of dogs. Second, write the number of cats. Here, look at the pencils. We can see blue pencils and red pencils. How many red pencils here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red pencils are here. How many blue pencils here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blue pencils here. The ratio of red pencils to blue pencils is 8 is to 7. The question was red pencils to blue pencil. So first we write the number of red pencil. The number of red pencils 8. The second write number of blue pencils. Number of blue pencil is 7. So 8 is to 7. The ratio of blue pencils to red pencils is 7 is to 8. Here blue pencils 7 here and red pencils 8 here. So blue pencils to red pencil is 7 is to 8. Question 1. There are 8 girls and 5 boys in your class. What is the ratio of girls to boys? Here, asking ratio of girls to boys. So how many girls here? 8 girls here. How many boys? 5 boys. So ratio of girls to boys is 8 is to 5. Question 2. There are 3 apples and 4 oranges in the basket. What is the ratio of oranges to apples? First we have to write the number of oranges. Oranges to apples. How many oranges? 4. So 4 is to apple how many? 3. So the ratio is 4 is to 3. Question 3. There are 3 carrots and 1 potato in a bag. What is the ratio of carrots to potato? How many carrots here? 3 carrots. And how many potato? 1. So ratio of carrots to potato 3 is to 1. We can write the ratio in 3 different ways. For example, there are 5 girls and 8 boys in the class. Ratio of girls to boys in the class is 5 to 8. We can write 5 to 8. And next one we can write 5 is to 8. And the third form we can write 5 by 8. Like this 3 ways we can write the ratio. Now we are going to learn about proportion. What is proportion? Proportions are 2 ratios of equal value. For example, 1 is to 2 equal 2 is to 4, or 1 by 2 equal 2 by 4. Next example, 1 by 3 equal 2 by 6. This pair of ratios forms a proportion or not. We will check. How we will check this? You have to cross multiply it. 1 multiply by 6 and 2 multiply by 3. 1 times 6 equals 6 and 2 times 3 equals 6. When we multiply, we get the products or the answer after the cross multiplication are equal. Here 1 times 6 equals 6 and 2 times 3 equals 6. We got same number on both sides. Then we can say that 1 by 3 and 2 by 6 are in true proportion. Write whether each pair of ratios forms a proportion or not. First one, 2 by 5 and 4 by 10. Cross multiply it. 2 multiply by 10 and other side 4 multiply by 5. 2 multiply by 10, 20 and 4 multiply by 5, 20. So we got same number on both sides. So this pair of ratios forms a proportion. Now question 2. 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Cross multiply here. 1 times 8 and 3 times 4. 1 times 8, 8. 3 times 4, 12. We got different numbers on both sides. So this pair of ratios do not form a proportion. Look at the question. Noor is making sauce. She uses 5 tomatoes for every 1 liter of sauce. How many liters of sauce can she make from 15 tomatoes? Look at here. From 5 tomatoes, 1 liter. So from 15 tomatoes, how many liters? 5 multiplied by 3, 15. So the same number multiply up. 1 liter multiply by 3. So we will get 3 liters from 15 tomatoes. How many tomatoes does she need for 2 liters of sauce? From 5 tomatoes, 1 liter. So from 2 liters, for 2 liters, how many tomatoes she need? 1 multiply by 2, 2. Same number multiply here. 5 tomatoes multiply by 2. So you will get 10 tomatoes. So for 2 liters she need 10 tomatoes. Here is a recipe to make 10 biscuits. Work out how much flour, butter and sugar are needed to make 20 biscuits. Look at this table. Suppose we need 300 grams flour, 100 gram butter and 200 gram sugar to make 10 biscuits. So find out how much flour, butter and sugar are needed to make 20 biscuits. 10 biscuits we already know. So for 20 biscuits we have to multiply by 2. So flour 300 grams for 10 biscuits. So 20 biscuits multiply by 2. It will be 600 grams. Butter for 10 biscuits 100 grams. So 20 biscuits multiply by 2 or double it. 100 times 2, 200 grams. Now sugar for 10 biscuits 200 grams. 200 multiply by 2, 400 grams we need for 20 biscuits. Thank you dear students.